available in the Chicago area, and northern Illinois, and southern Wisconsin.
And the only one in the world with the race exhaust.
The only one in the world with the race exhaust, because yours truly ordered it a freaking year ago. So,
thank you.
Which, strangely enough, if this was next weekend, would be exactly a year since we ordered it. So, without much further ado, we'll go real quickly. Everybody knows what this is, or else you wouldn't be here. It is a very special unit, built in only 630 units for the entire world. Probably no more than 150 of them in the entire United States. No more than 150 in the entire United States. And we have the special privilege of having the car that the motif is based on. The STO Super Trofeo Omologato in the special green Citria, or Verde Citria, matching the bike. So, you're not going to see that anywhere else. Beautiful. Congratulations, Jeff.
Thank you.
I should have had him in my pocket, but I don't have the keys in my mouth.
Let's have a party.